Today we're here on defence land, just off Lavis Lane, planting trees for the Port Stephens Koala Rescue Service. This is the project we started a few months ago with the aim of planting at least one tree for every member who works on RAAF Williamtown. So our goal in planting is to provide feedstock for the Port Stephens Koala Service. They need 1,000 trees for every koala that's in their hospital. We've had support from almost every unit on base who have provided staff to plant here today. And it gives me great pride to be part of this project.
Port Stephens Koala Rescue currently have 15 koalas in care that this plantation will help feed. We've got 3 that are going to be at least permanent residents, so we need to get leaf that isn't available in the Port Stephens government area. We've got to go out and find these different varieties of trees. There's 6 varieties of trees that they eat. People see trees in the backyard and that's a koala feed tree, and we've got to go and check it, and 9 times out of 10 it's a black butt, which they don't eat. And we're doing a plantation on Lavis Lane, which we're currently putting in Pteridoccornis and Robusta. There's 2,000 trees here at the moment. We're going to be planting 15,000 trees, which will keep us going. We can legally feed 15 koalas with that amount of leaf.